Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. I got a question from Jackson regarding the lifetime fees on Apex Trader funding. So let's talk about what they are and what the current sale is, just so everybody is on the same page. So with their PA activation fees, you can either pay $85 a month, which I don't know why you would do that. Because if you pay just a bit more, you can pay once and be done with it. Whereas this is a monthly subscription of $85. So I definitely don't recommend that. The only reason I can imagine that someone might want to do it that way would be based on their current budget. The problem is that once you start, you can't switch later on to lifetime. So if at all possible, I would recommend you go for the lifetime fees. Now, they're all listed here, so you can see the lowest one for a 25K account is $130. Again, that's a one-time fee. And for the biggest account of 300,000, that is $340 normally. But right now they're offering this amazing sale. So let's talk about there's two different aspects of this current sale. First and foremost is that all of the evaluations are on sale. These smaller evaluations are on sale for 80% off, and these bigger evaluation sizes are just $40. So whether you take the 150, the 250, the 300, it's $40 for your evaluation, and that is monthly until you pass. Then what's even better is the lifetime fee is reduced as well. For these bigger accounts, it's just $85. That's lifetime one-time payment, $85. So here's my recommendation. With these bigger accounts, you do get more trailing threshold, which means you could trade a little bit more like you might normally trade in a regular account that is your own money. In other words, like you have more space to deal with that trailing threshold. So I particularly like these larger size accounts specifically for that. Let's say you were to go for this 300K account, that would be $40 for the evaluation. And that 80% off sale is going through the 27th. At least that is what they've told us so far. Then you would still have 3 full weeks from this recording to pass that evaluation because they've extended that $85 lifetime fee sale all the way through September 15th. So you have one more week of August and then the first 2 weeks of September to work on these things. As many of you know, they could extend it even further than that, but at least that is what they have told us so far. So really great discounts at this point in time. There's a link and coupon code for you down below. Just an FYI, that coupon code will always give you the best discount that they are offering at that time. So if you are watching this video at some other time and there's a different sale on, that coupon will always be the best discount possible. Thanks so much, Jackson, for your question. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.